And we just need to put in... this needs to be 0. And the other one needs to be 1. And that will set the player location. Oh, but, well, kind of. Kind of. I need to do some more stuff quickly. Alright, so we actually need to times it by... Yeah. Actually, how does it even work? Where is it? You just put in the numbers, right? I guess player set location. Alright, well that should work. Whatever. Let's try it. Like I said, not perfect. But still better than spawning in the middle of nowhere. Right, well, yeah, okay, well that didn't work, but... Map set. Yeah, no, I think I get what you're saying. I think I know, yeah. I'm just trying to think how I would do it, but yeah, I think I know what you're saying. Interesting. This should be set. Yeah, we got 9 and 10. Let's try off the building. Well, I might have turned up multi-cat a bit too loud. There we go. Hey, you're a really good programmer. Right, okay. I wish you could help me with the game. I just need your Microsoft account email that you signed up with, and I see your Visual Studio Online. Yes, I don't think you're going to do this. I already like Jordan. He said one thing, and I like him already. It's good. Martin, you help in other ways. It's fine. Yeah, why is this not? Please, can I? Wait, sorry, hold on a sec. Why is this have some inability to be able to create the... Look, this line here, I'd like to do it here. Ready? Is this? See, you don't want Visual Studio, it doesn't work. Why is that? Oh, right, this could be... I worked it. I got it. I got this. It's fine. Yeah, it's my fault. Basically my fault. Yeah. Okay. Right, 4-3. So it's actually putting it in. No, that's wrong. Sorry, 9-10. Oh, I'm stupid. Hold on. Yeah, I'm dumb. Hold on, I kind of worked out what my issue was. Basically, yeah, that was... Yeah, well, I mean, thanks for helping, guys. I mean, yeah, thanks.
Enjoy watching you suffer.
Yeah, I know. I can't believe I just did that. That was extremely dumb. You know what? I'm just gonna do this anyway. How did I even do that? In what mindset was I in when I decided that would be the best way to code that bit? Hey, can I join your stream room? Yeah, go ahead, Martin. Go ahead. The powerful admin can join. Alright. Let's try that one more time. And actually get it to work this time. The problem is, I have a feeling it's just going to port me straight back out. But we can try. We can at least try. Oh, yeah, I might have been left a breakpoint on that.
Wait, what? I'm not powerful.
What do you mean you're not powerful? You're the admin of the TeamSpeak server.
I'm not admin of TeamSpeak.
Well, you are. Clearly, that massive A means you're the admin. Okay, well that was interesting. Alright, yeah, it's C++. Okay, yeah, so, wow, it's still not working. How is this still a thing? New portal position. Surely would, I'm pretty sure, yeah, move player to 4-4. Wait, hold on. Wait, 4-4? Where am I saying 4-4? There is, wait, let's reset this, so I don't have any mess. C++ hang random.
See, now you have an A.
What was, wait, oh yeah. Wait, what did I have next to me? Oh right, rank server, yeah. Wait, where's the guy gone? Do you want to move DG, the fight mayor, into the channel? Cheers. Right, where are we doing this? Alright, so it says apparently we're setting the players in some weird location. Yeah, right, engine move player to 910. Well, this clearly is not 910. So, yeah, I mean, well, yeah, well, that's interesting. Wait, where's it gone? Where's my console gone? This would help if I could look at it. Wow, we're 10 followers away from that 1,300. The target of the day. Where the Kappa spam will ensure. Yeah, it moves it, but it doesn't seem to actually move it. So.
Try moving it to something a bit more distinctive, like 10-2. What I was thinking was, is it worth marking on screen where 00 is?
That would be off. Actually, yeah, that'd be off screen. But it's the same as the portal, so it should technically be the same, unless. I know why. I've got it. There's a reason for this. There is a reason for this. Basically, yeah, well, yeah, kind of, well, okay, so basically what's going on is I don't think I'm adding on the extra thing when I do it. Wait, I just kind of hard to explain. You'll see what I mean in a sec. Right, let me minimize that. Where's my set location? Yeah, I thought so. Actually, wait, am I? Okay, well, maybe I'm not then. Yeah, let's make it more distinct. Something more distinctive and see. In fact, let's make it 1-1 and see how that works out. Alright. Yeah, that did not work. Interesting. Yeah, well, we've played a 1-1. I have an idea. Actually, where is my map loading? I bet you it's here somewhere. Or it used to be. I used to have something up here. Apparently not anymore.
So can like people sort of suggest stuff in the chat, or do they have it to do it on the Reddit?
Nope. They can do it either on the chat or Reddit. Either way, whatever they feel comfortable with. There's also a feedback site which I'll get Nightbot to link in the chat now. It basically allows them to upload their images easily and report bugs and feedback about the game. So if you look on that site, it allows them to, yeah, if they have an account, which is quite easy to set up. It's literally a 2-minute thing. We tried it out a couple of days ago, and I'll put it up on stream. So yeah, it allows them to, if they report an issue, I can just view the issue, go through it. So an example is we want to add player analytics to the game. So this is on the line, so I can just basically see who it was reported to. It's been assigned to me because that's why I'm doing it. But it was reported by Dave, and he's put it as a feature. And yeah, he's even put a description and stuff to help and explain. And it just means that we can then tick it off when we go to the roadmap or the change log. So it's really easy for people to see what ideas we've actually taken and then put straight into the game or the engine, depending. And equally, it's easy to report bugs when we get to the testing stages for each alpha.
Good.
So yeah, there's loads of ways that people can submit ideas and stuff like that. I mean, like just coming on the TeamSpeak.
Like sprites, can people also like sprites and stuff like that, or all of this stuff?
Yeah, they can do sprites. So art, any art that includes, like non-sprites, like just doing backgrounds, and they can even do like concept art and that kind of stuff. A lot of people have actually done that. In our, someone did one when we did the Last Stand, our tower defense game. And then they can submit their like game ideas, art. Some of them even take part in programming. Some of them will help out with sound, as we've already proven, like the music. Cypher Levon is already helping out with music, which is really cool. And so it's just all one big community effort. I think any part of game development, in any sense, whether it's building resources, coming up with ideas, that kind of stuff, anyone can come up with, basically. If someone wants to, yeah.
That's great, like sort of a bunch of people coming to that like don't know each other maybe too well, but like meet together on a Twitch stream and like they work together on a game or something. It's good.
Yeah, it's just to bring back, because not everyone is, knows programming, not everyone's the great artist, but because there's so many different people, there's always someone who's good at something. And often there's been times when, as you've probably seen a couple times, where people ask for help with different stuff, whether mostly programming, like what's the best way to learn this, part of programming, what's a good website, and all these resources is being given out. So it's not just a community around building the game, it's also the community around just making any game, really. A great learning like resource, whether it's not necessarily watching me, but just talking to people in chat as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so so basically we're having this issue right now. Where's the music on? Sorry, please, Monster Cat.
Between the actual stream and the TeamSpeak, I have some delay, but yeah, maybe okay now it comes.
Yeah, yeah. Most people just mute the stream and then just listen on TeamSpeak, because it allows them to do whatever they want, really. Yeah.
It's impossible to get rid of that lag. It's all got to do with Twitch servers and stuff that.
Yeah.
Also, I think it depends where you live, also.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. Like, I upload to all the... it goes up to London, my stream, so you're downloading it pretty much from there.
Yeah, my time zone is GMT +1. It's just an hour difference from England.
Yeah.
Far, I think.
Okay, so total entities, that's all good. I think there's something else going on which is messing up. It's not... I don't think it's the player spawn. No, it's definitely not that. It's not this. That's only if you... it's like the first level that you load into, which technically it should be, but whatever. So... we might just have to do it the way that is better than what I was suggesting to do. So for example, we've got set location, that kind of stuff. Engine move the player, that's pretty cool. Padding. It could be this actually. In fact, I'm almost certain it's this.
Yay.
Maybe, I have no idea. Let's try. Oh, yeah. Bet it's the map padding. Actually, it's not gonna work, is it? Wait, hold on, that was dumb. The X pulse is 16 and the Y pulse is 16, so let's do that, because I don't think we're actually adding on to that anymore.
You see the 1200 and 720? Are those the screen area?
Yeah, that's the screen size. There is actually a variable storing that. I'm just... what?
I was just thinking for a minute it might have been like map width or something like that. It's like, oh, wait, the padding will be different. No, it's nothing to do with that.
Hold on. What did I just do? What just happened there? That was extremely weird. Right, that was... yeah, well, let's try that again. Also the collision... well, I mean, yeah, if we had the collision on the walls working, that would be cool, but yeah, whatever. Did I also set some weird-ass collision with this as well? I bet you I did. Where's my object? No, it's not that. It's not object, it's portals. I think my collision on portals is completely messed up. It's not something I'm that bothered at the moment about fixing, but whatever. Hello, Upbeat 3D. Welcome to the channel. Right, I don't know. Right, so yeah, it's
What
just
is the
placing.
theme of the game? So maybe if I can help, like, I'm not really good at sprites, but maybe if I can help in something. You know.
Sure, yeah, okay, so the game basically works that it's kind of, so it's a futuristic game, and you're basically, it's a mix between the Hunger Games, the Truman Show, the film with Jim Carrey, if you've ever seen that, and basically you have, basically it's kind of like Pokemon but with robots. But it's not exactly Pokemon battle themed, but you can build your own robots based on parts and use them to fight against the mobs in the game and that kind of stuff. And you have different quests and objectives to complete, and you know, the objectives you complete and everything you basically do is basically judged by what we call the viewers. And so if you're a player who has you have two overpowered items, then basically you're not going to be liked by the fans because it's going to be too easy. They're not going to enjoy watching you technically play in this world. So that's basically kind of an example. I don't know if Oz is still here to link his video because he basically described it a lot better yesterday. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if he has it, but yeah.
Okay.
I'm here. Mouthful of soup.
Alright, yeah, if you could just link your video in chat again, that'd be cool, if possible. But enjoy your soup.
Is it weird I have a picture of you on my desktop, Ollie?
Yes. No, well, I know, I can imagine why, you know, very easy.
I don't know why it's there.
Well, I don't know what's there either. Yeah. That is quite weird. What picture is it?
It's just a picture of you had on your Twitter.
Oh, that one. Yeah, I need to do a new, like, it's nearly a year. It's nearly a year since that photo. So I need to get a new photo. I think I'm something weird going on with this player location. Do I still have the debug controls? I'll just do that. That could work. Where's my debug controls? All the way down here. So F7, yeah, reports the inventory. Yeah, F4. So if I say, I might have turned these off. Actually, I can't have done. No, I didn't. That's exactly what I want now. This. Except not there, because that would crash everything. I don't feel like doing that. So F5, and then we'll just put it, what, 10 and, what was it? No, it was 9 and 10, wasn't it? Something like that. That should work. Right, let's try that. What game making software? There is no game making software. We're building everything from scratch in code. The IDE I'm using to program in is called Visual Studio. It's the 2013 professional version.
Ollie's making his own engine, and I'll be making the software to make the data to tune in by the engine. But really, you could make it manually if you wanted to. But the program will make it much easier.
Yeah. Cool. Right. So yeah, I mean, it works if I do this, but not. Yeah, this collision is so messed up. Anyway, I think... Well, it's not... well, technically it's the collision. It's kind of the center point of the player. This is kind of weird. Okay, so... Oh yeah, I need to add that noise as well. Right. Huh. Okay, so what I'm going to do here... I don't have patience for cutting from scratch. Give me a good game engine any day. I don't know. I enjoy it more. I don't know. I just feel more like attached to it. I feel like I have more control. Although, as you can probably imagine now, I have literally no control over this player positioning error. But it seems to be because I'm resetting it somewhere. And I'm not sure where. Portal to, portal from. It could be. No, it can't be. So I don't know what tiles I'm actually moving to. That's the issue I'm having. I don't understand. So maybe maybe I should. Okay, maybe if I got a not buildings, if I got a map when we're rendering the yeah, when we're doing a new map, maybe then let's do this. No.
In the editor, I can enforce things like a portal can only go to an open spot rather than a blocked or a colliding spot.
Yeah, that's cool.
It might be worth when somebody actually gets pasted into a room, sort of almost disabling collision and not caring whether the destination is collidable for a minute. And then we'll just sort of deal with it once the room is loaded and they're trapped inside a wall.
Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense.
Yeah, but with the data I can hopefully make sure that doesn't happen.
Let's do this. Alright, let's try this one more time. Let's do it here instead, but no. There we go. Right, let's try this again. I'm going to do it here instead of doing it in some weird location. Right. I like to see results quickly. I like to have the pain of trying to get results. It's much more comforting that you've actually done it like that. Why? This makes no sense. I'll tell you what, maybe this then. This is gonna mess it up. But it sends me 0, 0. Yeah, or 1, 1. Well, 0, 0 technically. Okay. See, I don't think it's setting it. I don't think it's setting it. Let's breakpoint. Let's breakpoint.
Positions staying the same from one room to the next.
Yeah, right. What's it set now? So it's set to 0, 1, 1. For some reason. How does it start 1, 1? Anyway, right, well let's move over that. Can I step over it? Yes. No, don't do that. Oh, shit. Step out, there we go. Okay, let's just go back. Let's try this one more time. Right. Let's go back to hold on. Let's go back to map. Map? No, why is it main? Why? There we go, right, let's go main. Right, so alright, so now this is where it's going to break point. And it's set it to 1, 1. Right, so this is not being set. I think that's kind of self-explanatory at this point. So we got file load this. Okay. Oh, this is why it makes no sense. Okay, well, you know what? Well, actually no, that does make sense. Then why? Okay, let's just do this properly. I'm done. I'm done. Right, let's go. Let's do this. Let's stop doing this a stupid way and actually get to how I actually was planning to do it. Right, so I don't want any of this crap. It's not going to work. So it's next to the program. Get rid of that line. Right, so we've got file load, that's fine. I don't want to change that. So when you go through a building, we basically want to load some stuff. So in fact, we want to remove this. Like that. Yeah. No. Maybe. Yeah, like that. Okay, cool. Alright, so that's saved, that's fine. Right, and then we need to go back to file and change this as well. Although I'll leave it in for now, but it won't do anything. Just in case we have to go back and I think of a better way to do it with what we've currently got. Okay, so we currently... So yeah, if I go into it now, it should just do some weird location, set it to this location which I'm not even sure about. It's just keeping it in the same position. Okay, so I want to move it here. So, we need to do our building attribute, yeah. Right, yeah, okay, I got it, right. So, I think the maps are, actually not maps. Maybe... set it to objects. Because every time I can't do this properly. Right, let's do this again. In fact, let's do this again. Yeah, right. I mean, it would make a lot more sense here, but what's it called? Chunks. World chunks, like that. So yeah, let's actually put in maps, whatever. So yeah, we got Showtime dot building. Oh, I've got to build. Cool. That's fine. Place it there. Then do we have? Yeah, we'll just take this and put it in here. That's fine. We don't need any of this for now. Obviously, collision would be true. I don't know when it wouldn't be true. So in fact, well, yeah, okay, we'll keep it. Whatever. Right. Okay, and then we need the locations that you're going to send it to. Yeah, so then you need the next location.
I figured out how to use the file transfer.
I already knew how to use the file transfer. Why don't you just ask me?
Nah!
No, of course not. Right. Why have I got you at 19 plus decibels? You're too loud. Right.
Because you love me.
Yeah. Okay, right. I'm not the one with a picture on my desktop of you. Right. Okay. This is building. I need to think like a building. Yeah, that makes sense. I need to think like a building. Brilliant. Okay, so cell. Yeah, cell. That's fine.
Don't worry, Ollie, you're halfway there.
Yeah, halfway there. That's fine. I need to think like a building. Okay, sprites, buildings. I don't know anything about the building file, so. So we've got collision, that's fine. Next we need to add its, yes, positioning. Well, yeah, kind of. We need its entrances. Exits, actually. Yes, no, maybe. I'm trying to think if there's multiple exits. Oh, okay. Exit X, which will be and then enter X, so that's going to be 9, wasn't it? And then let's duplicate that, make it Y, and that needs to be 10. So that's done. Good. Anything else I need to add? Well, audio clip, but whatever. So, good, cool, well done. Thank you, Digital, I appreciate it. Right, okay, there we go. Right, audio, yeah, okay. Audio clip, I don't really care about for now. We'll just leave it blank. Whatever, just No. Okay, cool. Well, there we go. Right, anything else? I don't think so. What I'm going to do is just add this stuff, and then hopefully it should be good. I might actually change it slightly, but that's fine. Okay, so we've got building there. Right, let's do the stupid thing we always do. Right, we've got create render. We need a int. Well, not int. Init. There we go. Buildings. And right, like that. Just like that. Right, cool, perfect. All right. Yeah, good call. Thank you, Digital. I appreciate it. Right, okay, so we've got init. That's fine. What's the nearest thing we did? It was probably options? No, it can't have been options. Or tiles, that was what we did recently. Let's just nick that. Here we go. I think it has pretty much everything we need anyway. Okay. That's fine, we'll get to that in a sec. Build line. Build total. Okay. Perfect, okay. And also not tile file, let's build file. Right, that goes there. We're on there, and then we need to go, well yeah, we can change those in a sec. See, this is where it always mess up, so hold on, brace. Alright, got build title, that's fine. Let's do this. That goes there. Anything else I need to think of? No. Do we have not building titles or anything like that? We're building IDs, but still. So that's placement on map, and this is actually data storage. Or data store, that's fine. Right, so we're going to data store, that's where we're going to do it. So, to be honest, it's not too difficult. We just need like that, std string. And then from there, we need to do building what's called title. It's fine. Let's be 128, because why not? Now I'll place them on map. We don't really need 128, but for now it's fine, whatever. I don't think they, yeah, it's actually impossible to have, actually no it's not, I say that, but it would be very difficult to have 128 buildings on one map, on one, not one map, on one singular, what's it called? Thing.
It's on one singular biome or map.
Yeah, biome, but to be honest, oh, yeah, that's weird, okay, whatever. Maybe it's possible, I don't know. I doubt it highly. I don't think buildings are a massive part of this. There could be. You know, you might suddenly find the poker centre in the middle of nowhere, but you know, at the moment I think we're fine. Okay. But there could be houses that you go inside. Random caves, maybe. That kind of stuff would technically be called a building.
Do you reckon you can have that as editable in any way, so they could almost make a house? Oh no, hang on, we could do that with plots. Yeah, that's okay.
That's what I'm doing now. I'm making buildings part of the attribute system. Chunk, yeah. Even people in the chat know.
Hey, chunks.
Yeah, there you go, chunk. Yeah. There we go. Right. Okay. Building title. That's fine. So that's what we need to put in. And it's not top. No, nearly made a drastic mistake there. That's fine. Right, is everything in this one good to go? Yes, it looks like it. Right, now let's add all these stupid things. There, and there. There. Also we want build title. Yeah, what am I looking for? This, yeah, there we go. That goes there. Anything else? No. Okay, cool. What do you mean incomplete? It's not should be. Right, anyway. Yeah, because I do it here. That'll be fine. Anyway, yeah, right, build line. Not build total. That would definitely not work. Right. Let's try again. There we go. Let's try it without breaking anything, shall we? That would be great. There we go. In a really stupid way, but whatever. Why is this being weird? Something's... oh, I can see what might have gone wrong. Or not. Actually, I have no idea what's gone wrong. Hold on. That would be why. Okay, so... Brilliant. 10 out of 10. Okay, so that goes there, that goes there. Then... That's the else statement there. Then... There's the else statement, that's that. And then we have this random thing here. Like that. Or not. But what does it even do? Yeah, that was right then. Ah. I see what I did. There we go. Does that fix the issue? Well, now it's completely destroyed everything, but still. Put this back in then. Please? No? Yes? This would be really helpful. No, that's not right. No, that is, no, come on, please, that can't be. Thanks, I don't know really what to say to that. That's, yeah. Thank you very much, Anonymous, I appreciate it. Thank you, that's amazing. I was, yeah, that's, yeah, that's, thank you.
What? What happened?
I got a $100 donation.
Oh, shit.
Holy shit! Yeah.
Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it. That's 150 in one day. That's that's unreal. Thanks you so much. I appreciate it. That's awesome. Can we get some hearts for Anonymous? That's yeah. Thank you very much. Should be like no. I'm speechless. Thank you very much. That's amazing. Thank you. Can we get some hearts chat for both indie supporter and Anonymous today? Thank you very much, guys. That's awesome. Thank you very much. Oh, I was not expecting that. Not expecting that at all. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Well, thank you. Like, I just spill over all this rubbish of what I don't know what mess. I literally created the biggest mess I've ever seen in my life of code. And you just donate that much. Thank you. I'm like, this project's amazing, guys. It's great working with so many new people. This project's basically like, we weren't even going to do this project originally. We were just going to continue on the old things we were doing, and then we went for this. So that's awesome. Thank you very much. I'm lucky enough to get one donation in one day, and then to get two with that, you know, two substantial amounts of money. That's awesome. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. And all the followers, that's great. Oh. Yeah, I messed something up somewhere.
Oh, you know you can tell who it is
Yeah, I can.
by the email.
Yeah. But if they want to remain anonymous, that's their choice. That's the thing about it. It's the beauty of it. You can remain anonymous if you want. That's the thing. But thank you very much to whoever the person is. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay, I've made a special privilege key for whoever wants it.
Wow. So you're just gonna give away admin on our server?
No, it's not admin.
What is
It's
it
a
then?
different server group. You will
Oh.
see if someone uses it.
Great. Okay.
Is it the cheese group?
Maybe.
Wow.
Cool.
Every time. Why is this? Right. This doesn't end. Where does this end? I just literally selected. Wait, where do you end? There. Then you end there. Alright, get rid of this else statement. Then where does this one end? That ends at the if. This should end at the while. And then this one ends all the way up here. So then... Okay, whatever. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to continue on. I think it's fine. Right, buildings. I need the sprites. Where am I storing the
I
sprites?
am working on some, trying to.
What, on, what thing?
Sprites. Of
Oh,
buildings.
sprites. Oh, cool. Right, I think it's resources. Do I want to store on resources? Well, I'm just going to copy it over. Wait, hold on. Let me just clean up this. Actually, I really need that one. Never mind. Alright, I'm going to clean up all this. This is ridiculous. Alright, I don't even use crafting at this stage. Tiles are fine. Right, okay. 2 line down. What? What have I done now?
Welcome to Game Studio Live.
Dr. Fubar1, thank you much for on the channel. Welcome to the studio, dude. Thank you very much for supporting it. You guys aren't going to use Unity, right? Not for this project. There's nothing to say we won't in the future on a different project if there ever is one. But this one we're creating our own engine. It's just more freedom, you feel more in control, and it's actually a lot more fun, I think. Yeah. Wait, what do you mean? Wait, who said 2 line down? Sign. Oh, it's this one, yeah, file doesn't exist. I mean, that could be it. I don't doubt it there. That's why it's causing all these weird stuff. Right. Let me, crafting on buildings, yeah. Yeah, this attribute system is something we created. It's going well so far. It's just kind of awkward having to do it for each thing, but that you have to. I don't think there's a better way of doing it. I slowly get better at doing adding all these new things and that kind of stuff. So yeah.
I ended up defining a separate object for recipes, just to sort of keep. Well, they get pulled in as CAS files, and then I immediately realised that they're full of minuses and they've got a .craft. And I think, oh, okay, I should load up this other module that doesn't ruin them.
Yeah. To be honest, it would probably actually be easier just to set it as item 1 as the attribute, and then you know, go attribute item 1, item 2, item 3, and item 4. But I mean, we could do that. That would probably be better, and then it means you could actually overwrite the item if you needed to later on.
Yeah, that's good.
I can change that. Right, let's do it. Let's get this. So yeah, we got buildings, and then we got build. Right, yeah, just like that. Amazing. Okay. Okay, so we got buildings, that's fine. That should put it in. Although, as always, actually, I might need to copy this. Actually, I just did that. This can go. Goodbye, file I built earlier and then decided I don't need anymore. Right, game, Showtime. I just didn't think I would need to do this kind of stuff, but, you know, apparently it works better, so let's do it. Maps, and then build. I'm going to change these to world chunks soon. The world, yeah, oh right, I already was doing it. Yeah, okay, well, let's move this over here. It's not right in the way. Don't need any of those. So yeah, it was buildings. Sure. No, it's not buildings. Yeah, it's maps, isn't it? It's maps, and then it's that dot build. Great. Okay, so that's not going to give us any errors, hopefully, from not being able to find it. Now we just need to take our buildings all the way up here. No, not that one. Resources. Sorry. There we go. And take the buildings file here. Okay. And this is going to go in our data store section. And it's just going to be building sprites. Like that. Cool. And that's going to go in. So let's take that, go back over here. And we're going to place it. Oh yeah, there we go. It did fix it. Yeah, that actually does make sense why that was going on. So yeah, that's the dot. So that names it. That's cool. But actually, what we want to do is this: building sprites, and it puts it in. And obviously, tile total doesn't exist. So there you go. With that now, new string, incomplete type. What the? Okay, whatever. Tile collision. Yeah, well, this isn't a thing really anymore, so whatever. If it's collision, I just don't do anything actually, to be honest. That's fine. Yeah, why is it doing that as well? I bet it's doing that on the tiles as well, isn't it? And I forgot to remove it. Collision, yeah, it is. Stupid me. Right, there we go. Perfect, okay. Well, it's not perfect. Nothing's ever perfect. It's just slightly better. Okay.
If there's anyone in the chat that wants to do like sprites or something, yeah, to help.
Yeah. Let me think. I wonder if there's any sprites I need right now. Dave, you know those sprites you're using for the robot parts?
Yeah.
Did you do those?
Yeah.
Would you be offended if I asked someone to redo them?
No, not at all. They're
Okay.
scribbles. Even the items I don't expect to last. They're just
My
an
house
example
sprite
for people.
is terrible, but yeah, whatever.
Alright, yeah. I think it'll be cool. It'll be cool. Right. What kind of game are you making on? I need to, you know, I need a command for the Oz's video, but have a look at this one. Right there. Have a look at that. That'll explain it. But it's a think Pokemon Zelda-esque style-wise for what you see, top down. Alright.
I'm sorry, at the beginning of that video with Oz, his smile is amazing.
That's because he's like prepared. He's so hyped. Okay. Right, okay. Right, so collision isn't really a thing anymore, but whatever, we'll keep going with it. For buildings, that is. There will be collision, but it should be automatic, to be honest. Right, so we got yeah, okay, so I'm not doing collision. Now, what I want to do is get rid of... No, don't get rid of that. But what I want to do is actually, what do I want to do? Yeah, this is a good recap. Yeah, I'm going to do it after I've fixed everything, but yeah, eventually. I'll do it at the end of the stream, probably. Okay. Yeah, okay, so we need to... Where's... I was like looking for this and it's on my other screen. That's kind of dumb. Anyway, yeah, I'm actually gonna rethink this. I'm gonna think this. Let me rethink this. Let's go enter... No, I'm thinking... what about portal quartz? Maybe. I don't know. Let's try it. Whatever. Let's go with that. Fine. Cool. Right. Actually. Okay. I got it. Player end. Like that. Like, just like that. Okay. That should be fine. Yeah. Hopefully that fits. It won't do, but whatever. Right. So we need P. Yeah, this is why I'm going to fix this issue, because it just takes too long to do this kind of thing. Alright, player, and... Actually, this might fit. Actually, no, it doesn't. I need one more. Oh, is it just... Does pause look better? Yeah, let's try that. What do you recommend for people that know the basics of C++, C#? Well, you can either go two ways. You can either go into what I've done and start using like SDL and stuff to do graphical stuff, or you go a lot further down. Well, it's just the basics. Then you want to move on to like, well, more advanced stuff, I suppose would be the kind of cliche thing to say. But you want to look at how to like do stuff with files, how to do stuff with, you know, graphics, GUI, that kind of stuff. That's kind of what you want to be looking at. And I mean, the basics covers like, I suppose, like syntax. It doesn't really cover like using all the different libraries and stuff to see what you can do with the code. Right, okay, so that's gonna take, yes, okay, so this is gonna do player pos, right, and then instead of a string, we actually want an integer. Okay, and then from here, we don't want that. We want to do, I'm doing int. So we're gonna do an integer, and that's just gonna be, I don't know, new, I don't know. New pos x and new pos y. Just like that. Great. Okay, so put that there. Like that. Now, I'm putting it as an integer because it shouldn't be like a decimal or a float at all. It should just be a singular is the whole thing.
Okay, I'm playing the best game ever.
What game is it?
It's a flat pack simulator.
Amazing. Why are you playing that? Are they not proper games that you like kids play these days, like at all?
Yeah.
Is it all like it's all like I Am Bread and stuff like that? I just don't understand.
Nah, I play proper games. I like to play fucked up games sometimes though.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I can see that. All right. Okay. So we add those, and then we want to then, I suppose. Actually, I suppose, what do I want to do? Or we could just go for it. Why is this being so difficult? Go to tiles. I feel like this is, I feel like this is just being difficult. I only understand. Yeah, cool. Right, so what actually is it? Without the warnings, preferably the errors would be great. Oh wow, that's quite a lot. What do you mean? Oh right, that. Yeah, okay, fine. Well, there we go. That would probably help a lot. There we go. Fine, problem solved there. That saved quite a bit. Alright, sorry, I had to go for a second. So what kind of game are you making? Oh, okay. So yeah, what we're doing is. Hold on. Yes, sorry. So yeah, yeah, watch the video. That's the best way. This one here. I did link it in chat, but if you had to go, you probably didn't see it. Go to that one there. That explains basically what we're doing. Right, I need building sprites instead of whatever I had in there. Just like that. Great. Okay, right. Fixing a lot of stuff. More stuff's broken. What is it now? Where is this? Resources. Oh yeah, because we don't use resources here anymore. So just go. Yeah, basically. Thanks for staying. What? Okay, hold on. I think I nearly lost everything there. That was not good. Where's my chat? There we go. Okay, well that was weird. Okay. Alright. Let's keep going. There we go. Yeah, well it's not going to show it, but it still takes us, which is fine. Okay, cool. That's a good start. I'm happy with that. So, and it actually loads it as well, which is actually, no, I have no idea if it loads it. I did not think that through. But let's try. So, we need to find it somewhere. Where's my initiation? Here we go. So we got graphics, that kind of stuff, initialization. What we need to do is... Where's my... Actually, where do I do it? Oh, new game. That's what I do it in. So we've got craft load, so preferably after tile, probably, I would say, is where I want to do it. Building dot in it. There we go. Fine. Bit slow on the draw on that one. Right. Okay. Okay, well that's interesting. Right, so why did it not enjoy doing that? Right, that was unhelpful. Right, okay, so building it's fine. That's what we're doing here, right? Yeah. Okay, so it should add it. Yes, you technically load it in. Sounds cool.
Welcome to Game Studio Live.
Statewide Seeker, thank you very much for the channel. Welcome to the stream, dude, and thank you very much. Welcome. Who's Blood Tank? Wow, Martin. Wow. Thanks. Okay, so we now need to check it loads all the images. So image loaded, cell 1. Perfect. Okay. Right. Now this is where it's getting slightly weird. So our file data.
Welcome to Game Studio Live.
Hi dude the one, thank you very much for the channel. Welcome to the stream. Thank you very much, I appreciate it. Thank you for being here. Hope you're enjoying the stream and having a good day. Where's building? Right here. So yeah, we do building create, that's fine. Although I have a feeling we need to remove this. Yeah, I'm not using it anymore, whatever. It can go. Technically, yeah, okay, whatever. That could be one actually. Oh, but it loaded, so sure. I don't know, that doesn't mean anything actually. I want to read that, but at the same time I don't. I mean, what was it? I deleted it so quickly, I thought it was going to be a rickroll. Yeah, but I can't do that, Martin. I keep telling you this. I can't play those tracks. Every time. Every time.
Actually, the mess up tracks, so they're not really copyright.
What do you mean they're not really copyright?
Come on, man. Try and be behaved for at least a little bit. Come on.
I am behaved.
Brilliant. Okay. Cool. Right. Okay, so it's not here. So building create's all good. Why is it not rendering? That's the building bank is what I actually want to call this as well. Okay. Now player dot set position, set location, whatever. And then we just want it new pos x and new pos y. Perfect. Okay. Right. Loads the image. So it's in create now, right? Or not? What even is create? Added new building. Added new building and oh, of course, yeah. Should still be 1, I think. Right. Yeah, 1. And then actually to test this, we can test this theory. We're not doing that. So adding new building, and then we want to relay what the name of the building is. And we do that with building title, so that's cool. And all we need to do in there is just put the ID that's being put in this method. So that's cool. I have 2 ideas for the game, not sure if they're good or not. Do you want to know them? Of course I want to know them. Go ahead. All ideas are accepted, because we'd like to discuss, different things. Nothing's technically been decided. Well, actually, yeah, well, things have been decided, but yeah. Half-Life 3 confirmed, yeah. True. I can confirm. Gaben told me last night. He gave me the copy of Half-Life 3. Unfortunately, I didn't have a Steam box, so I couldn't play it, so I can't tell you what's in it, sorry. I know, I'm sorry. Right. So add a new building cell, that's cool, right, but it doesn't like to render.
Wait, Half-Life 4?
Half-Life 3? They can't be a 4. If they can't count to 3, they definitely cannot count to 4. Right.
Now that would be the best if you release Half-Life 4, but before Half-Life 3.
Okay.
That made no sense.
No, it didn't.
Okay, what I meant to say, it would be amazing if they released Half-Life 4 before Half-Life 3.
Oh, okay.
Best troll ever.
One is a stealth game where you're late for class and you have to get to your seat without being seen. It's kind of stupid. Me and my friend made up what's going on. That's a lot like Office Break, in a way, actually. Which is our first game we ever made on here. Except you were at work and you were late for work. Oh no, you were trying to escape from work. And you were trying to do it without being seen. Although the stealth aspect was completely ruined and you just had to just defeat this massive stack of paper to win the game. So yeah, I mean, yours is better, in my opinion.
I remember that game, it still had the cheats in it at the end.
Oh yeah, it did, didn't it? That's because I didn't have time to remove them.
Good times.
Alright.
I'm working some nice cheats to this a bit later on.
Right, let's see.
Yeah, don't worry, I'm making a cheat table for this game.
A cheat table, brilliant.
Yeah.
You're gonna run game engine on it before it's released.
Yeah.
Cheat engine, sorry.
Yeah,
Yeah.
brilliant. I'll try to work out why this isn't rendering.
I need to learn how to use cheat engine.
Dead easy.
VAC ban, instant VAC ban, Martin. Right, that would be why. Okay, interesting. It doesn't seem to be going in.
Do the houses have to be futuristic, right?
Kind of. It depends. Yeah. It depends what
Welcome to
biome
Game
it's in.
Studio Live.
It could be like in a shack in like a swamp type thing, and that would fit. So it's fine. Fire turtle.
I made a sprite of a barn, sort of. But
Yeah, that would work. That would work. Yeah, that would work. Fire turtle. What was it? I forgot your name.
It's not really good, but yeah, I try to do something.
No, that sounds cool. Fire turtle bro, thank you very much for the channel. Welcome to the stream. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you for being here. Hope you're having a good day. Hi General. We were just talking about you earlier, actually. What advance have you made? Well, what advance have we made? Well, we did. Actually, we've done quite a bit. Actually, we kind of like made the engine a lot better. Currently, I can't run it because it's kind of broken, but we're getting there. We're nearly there. I have a feeling though. Build line. Is there one build line that's not working? No, it's all build line, image, and then it's got image and then asset sprite cell. I swear it loads. What does it load into? That's my question. What does it load into? This is a story-driven game where you can take control of other people's bodies, but you have lost your own. The only problem is that everyone you take control of dies shortly after you control them. So you have to try and find your original body, but killing people in the process. That's interesting. Interesting. That does actually sound like a decent game. Image loaded, asset sprites, buildings 1. Wait, it instantly moved the player to... And it didn't. This makes little sense. This makes little sense. Okay, well, let's try this one more time. Okay. I think I'm missing something. I must be... I'm going out of my mind. I'm definitely missing something and it's not working, and I don't know what it is. Where's the test map? Right, building. So we got 1. It could very much be this is the issue, but I doubt it highly. Actually, in fact, I actually have an idea. Actually, no, I don't. I have literally no idea. Building line, build line, build line, build line, build line, build line, all the way to the end. That works, yeah. Because it definitely prints it in. Well, not prints it out. Sorry, it prints it out that we've done it. So. But it's not putting it in the right place, is what seems to be going on here. So, I think I might know. Where is it? Building ID. That's what I want. Whoops. Okay, my bad. Right, where is it gone? Where's my render? Yeah, object shift is not the way it works. In fact, it's definitely not the way it works. So we've got building ID. We technically want Yeah, building ID of object shift. I think that should work. Just like that. Right, that should hopefully give us the graphic now. Not some weird thing. When you make the game, do you usually make them free or paid? Well, all the other ones we made are free, but we have a... This game feels pretty decent, so I mean, it's possible we'll sell it. We're hopefully at least going to put it on Steam. That's kind of our aim. So we're going to have a green light thing pretty soon. So, you know, everyone can start like voting it and that kind of stuff. But yeah. Okay, right, so this is kind of working in a way. At the same time, kind of not. But there are a few things we need to change. So in file, not file, in buildings, we are already messing a couple of things up. So we have, where's it gone? We've got building return locations. That's kind of what we're looking for. So, yeah, so we need to put it in. Currently we're setting the location here, which we don't want to do. So we got 0, that's equal to new POSX. And then the second one needs to be equal to new POS Y. Or the first one, but yeah. Like that. Okay. Cool. Okay, so we got... What?
I just posted in chat.
I will kill you. Wow. Really?
It's not copyrighted.
I bet you it still comes up. Amazing. Okay, cool. Alright, let's keep going. Okay, that's gonna load in there. Right, so what's the best way to think about this? Okay, here's an idea. So when we go to when we interact with buildings, which is somewhere here, here we go. We're gonna make this little thing called entering building equal to true. Well, we're not gonna call it that. That doesn't make any sense. But we can have it. So we're gonna have a boolean. So we'll enter building. That's fine. Okay, so proceed. So when that happens, it's going to equal to true, just like that. Yeah, just like that. So when we load in, when we go back to map, whatever I might put that over here. So when we set it, it just puts it in. That should work. Okay, so got file load. That's all good. Yeah, okay, so I'm really surprised that, yeah, okay, anyway. Yeah, so what we need to do is we're gonna, no, not that, like that. Okay, so we got building, okay, so we got if that, just like that. So if building, enter buildings, and then we're just going to make it so player.set location is then... Martin, what is it with your videos, okay? No, you know I already got copyright claimed on that on one of the videos, so I can't do that one. Yeah. It wasn't a mark, it was just I couldn't earn any money from that one. I couldn't monetize that video.
Sandstorm, dude, it's Twitch's natural song.
I know, right? So then, exactly. So, okay, anyway. Alright, it's got building dot, we need the return locations. So let's get the first one, which would be X. And then same one here again. But with 1. So that should get X and Y, and that should technically set them, hopefully. And that should be fine. I hope. It's still not doing it. I don't understand why. I just don't get it.
Dave's on his seat just chuckling away. He knows exactly what's wrong.
Yeah, he's trolling.
No, I don't.
What the?
I don't trust you, Dave.
There's something going on, and I have no idea what it is. You know what? I'm just gonna go back to sell. Let's get rid of this. Yeah, let's comment this out.
How long does it take to push it to GitHub? Is it like a half an hour thing, or could you say do it in
10 minutes possibly. I don't know.
Ah, okay, never mind. We'll give it a bit then.
I feel like I'm close, but not at all. Okay, well. It seems like whenever you load a new file, it resets. No, it just doesn't set the play look. I don't get it. That's awkward. I have no idea what's going on there. There is another reason this could not be working, which is that player.setLocation is just doesn't work anymore, and I think it does. Because it does work, because I tried it out like that. It works when I do that. Just not. Okay. Let's try this. Where's my render? This could be interesting. Actually, I don't want to do that in render, do I? This map has like a weird thing as well. Just have like got collision. That's not really it. Let's put it in render for now and see how it works out. Right. Best part of coding when something works, stuff doesn't. You don't know why. Exactly. I like things that work, and I don't know why. That's much better. Okay, there we go. Kind of. Not really. Well, in a way. I don't. Sure, why not? Now, this is gonna be slightly messed up for now. It's all good, actually. I just need to rearrange the player kind of like points system, which is fine. But in general, we are kind of yeah, we're fine. Actually, general, a thing you've missed actually is crafting. I think. Yeah, you missed crafting.
Nom nom nom.
Yeah, that's probably what you missed the most. That was the biggest feature we've probably done so far, apart from our new tile thing, just kind of thing. Hey, do you know the MLG game? Yeah, I know the MLG game. This is the type of game Martin would play.
That game's the best game ever made.
What about our game, Martin? Whose side are you on?
Okay, our game is the first best, like in the second.
Right. Okay. Thanks. Okay. Brilliant. Thanks for that. Okay. Right.
Yeah, what I'm hearing from you there, Martin, is a feature discussion about you want a descending pair of sunglasses in a completely different mode where skill is shown off. Yeah, I completely get you. We can totally integrate that. I see where you're going with that.
Yeah, let's integrate that.
I'll tell you what. Let's put an item. Yeah. Let's put an Easter egg item in the game that when you pick it up, it's like sunglasses. You just see it drop down, like float down and go on your character. And your character just says deal with it, and that's it.
Yep, that'd be enough.
The item's called Martin Sunglasses. There you go. Sorted. How does that sound? Good?
Truly 10 out of 10.
Cool. Good, I'm happy. Right, okay, so I kind of sorted it out by doing some weird thing, but whatever. Okay, now I just need to make sure it doesn't actually break anything. That eating noise, I know. We want to re-record it, but it's fine for now. Okay. Yeah, we should really do some things now, I think. Yeah, you can get yourself in the game, as I'll just posted there. So if you're interested, write that kind of like Easter egg things to kind of get your little thing in the game. Yeah. Okay, fine, cool. Right, yeah, let's do some quick changes. So, we already discussed that technically you're going to start in the cell. So, we're going to make it do that. Hopefully without doing anything too wrong, like too badly. So, we'll try. Right. This technically won't work, but whatever. Right, cool. The barn thing. Oh, okay, no problem. Let's have a look. If it's... yeah, okay, maybe. It's for the overworld, true. Alright, let's have a look. What's the sizing? Yeah, problem is if it's not 64, it's not going to fit on. Okay, cool. It's 64 by 64, yeah. Yeah, there should be a thing somewhere describing all that, but it doesn't. So, yeah. Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, no problem. Right, let's keep going. Let's actually make some space for some stuff. Don't need that, don't need that. Thank you, Chrome. Thank you. Right. Yeah, you should be able to actually just largen it up without breaking too much. Wait, why isn't this working now? That was weird. It's almost like I lost complete contact with the game. Ah. Good. There we go. I've worked out what it is. Right. Okay. Issue is that this doesn't exist. That does though. So that should be fine. There we go. Okay, but yeah, clearly that's, yeah, okay, well, good. Okay, so we need player spawn back into it, which is fine. That should now work. Building size can be a range of different things. Oh my god, that,
I love his current spawn position, that's all.
yeah. That was kind of, yeah. Right, let's make it 8-8. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, like, I think we're going to try and keep it to 64, so your building would be either 64 by 64 or a multiple of 64, basically. There we go, okay, that's slightly better. It's not in the center. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay, so... I don't know. Yeah, using increments 8 for size, yeah. Yeah, I'd rather keep them tile-based, so it would take up the whole tile. It would make collision a lot easier to do. But yeah, so if it's a multiple of 64, that would be excellent. And try and make it go right to the edge if possible. Okay, so... okay, this is getting better. I'm kind of happy with what's going on here. Rerun it one more time. Cool. Right, let's have a look at the player. Let's try and fix this problem I'm having with player collision. So to do that, we need to go back to our assets and have a look at the actual player sprite. Now, obviously, as we said, the sprite you see for the player now is not the thing. It's just, we're just using it for now. So that's fine. Is it in this? It's not really in the center either, really. Anyway, alright, how big is this again? Should be, yeah, 32 by 48. Okay, and to be honest, our main collision section should be here. We should literally have a box that this is basically what it is. Sorry, I can't be more talkative today. Don't worry, else, no problem. Okay. Right, yeah, okay, so it should be around here, right? What am I looking at? I'm looking at down here. Okay. So, yeah, the feet... so, yeah, technically the collision box we're kind of looking for is probably like there-ish. Probably, yeah, probably about... but yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at. like that. Like I said, this is not the main character, but this is kind of, it's the same sizing. So yeah. Okay, so the way to fix that is to go into player and then just sift through all the rubbish that I made a long time ago and try and fix it to actually work. So this will be fun. So location X and location Y. So we need to go render, I think.
We could make that hitbox a lot dumber, where if we half the width of the image and then half it again and use that as padding. So we've sort of got the middle half of the image being used as the hitbox, and then it's just however tall you'd like it to be. And then however you're going to go with it, that's what I'll enforce in this then, because I can put an overlay to show where the hitbox would be on the image.
Cool. Okay, that sounds good. Yeah, okay, let me see if I can find this. Yeah, just try and work out how this thing is currently working, because it shouldn't be. As far as I'm aware. Where's my set location? Yeah, okay, so this does... Yeah, I can see what went wrong, slightly wrong here. Where? Yeah, I removed all the collision stuff, didn't I? No, did I? Well, not the collision view. Interesting. Okay, so what I need to do is that whenever we... The player location needs to be slightly weird, so... Let's have a look quickly. So, the player location, technically, if I go here, that's not what I meant to do. I meant to do this, F5, right. So technically this is 910. Now, the problem is that, if this is 910, I guess this technically is 910, right? So, the problem is it's trying to put it on the top tile, which is up here. So you see, the player's actually spawning all the way up here, as per this, okay? So this actually is where it's doing it. So at the top of the tile. Now we don't want that. We technically want this to be the point where it spawns. So all we really need to do is add on some stuff. Alright, so right, let me go over here quickly. So when we set location, what we actually want to when we render the player, actually is that, yeah, so when we render the player, what we actually want to do is this. Once I find it here, right, so location X, we technically want to move it over, I don't know, the 32. No, that'd be too much. Actually, no, I don't think it will. Let's try it. Right, so that should be plus 32. This should technically be...
I reckon 16 in, and then the hitbox should be 32 wide, and then leaving it at 16 in.
Yeah. So I'm not doing hitbox right now, I'm just trying to get where the center bit of the player should be. So if we want to define it on a tile, that's where it will place it.
Yeah, that's going to be a tricky decision.
Jesus, okay, that's not what I wanted to do.
You could almost default to the player is a 64 by 64 with everything taller than that kind of extending above the player.
Yeah, okay, that was way too much. Right. Let's just try it. Not that. That, okay, so that's way too much, but in theory then, 16 is kind of what we might be looking at then. So let's do that. Okay, that's...
you should totally play that game.
I'm never going to play that game, Martin. Alright, okay, actually yes, so that's right in the middle. That's exactly what we want. Kind of, yeah, okay, that's fine. That's cool. Yeah, that should... Yeah, okay, so there's a couple of things I now need to check there. More importantly, we need to go to map, which isn't open as always. Yeah, okay, so add portal. So it's not actually the add portal, we want the collision, which at this point, that's not it. Mechanics, here we go. So player pod center X. I don't know where we're declaring this pod center X, because that's technically what we want to do. Okay, so pod center X should be somewhere. That isn't player, right? Where's it on? Map is player, yeah, player.pod center X, but oh, okay, so it's actually a move. I think I said this, right? Somewhere in move, eventually. Yeah, these are all the random collision points that don't really make much sense, but still. So, wait, pos center X, right? Collide pos center X. So, in fact, let's quickly take that. And then go back to player. Sorry, yeah. Just trying to think about through this. Okay, so pos center X isn't. Here we go. So it's location X plus 32. So no. What it needs to be is. You made the game Swarm Defender? No, I didn't. No. Ah, here we go. Fine Mega made something.
Nope,
Cool.
it's the best game ever.
Perfect. Okay, I can deal with this. Cool. And you've done animation, which is cool. I haven't technically added that yet, but that's coming. Soon-ish. You saved it as a non-PNG, that's fine. I can deal with that, that's fine. Pixel art is easy to remove from that kind of stuff. Right, let me see. A slight thing. I have a slight. Yeah, I think I might have realised something. You'll see what I mean. I will show you. Right. But first, let me quickly do some quick stuff. Yeah, remove the background. There we go. That's not it. 64, please. Like that. Okay. Fine. I need 64 by 64. Right. You'll see what I mean in a sec. Now, I mean, it's fixable quite easily, actually. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay, let me resize it by percentage. Let's go 400%. Fine. Right. I'm really just trying to capture this. There we go. Okay. Now, if I go for a 64 by 64, and then control all that, and then resize that by again 300 by 200%. Yeah. Right. Actually, that was wrong. Hold on.
So the house price should be.
Because the player should be bigger than the door, which is at the moment it's not that. But I'm trying to sort it out. I think I might nearly have something. Possibly. That's fine for now, like that. But yeah, you'll see what I mean. So if I get the player sprite now, it doesn't work exactly. You'll be able to see on stream in a sec. But if the sizing is made slightly differently, the door could technically be this bit here and it would work fine. But yeah. To be honest, I could try this.
Oh, the character is bigger than the.
Yeah, do you see what I mean?
Yeah.
But it's easy to fix. I'll quick go to do it. Alright, that goes there. Just like that. Though, actually no, that's fine. that's fine. Right, and then copy up here to go like this. Right, let's move this down a bit more. Please. Please, come on. There we go. Just like that, yeah.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, nearly. I'm just trying. Okay, let's move this down even more.
Wait, what are you making?
I'm just trying to fix the barn door.
Oh,
But then, other than that, it should all look fine. If I could use this without messing this up too much.
I got distracted by strike and missed everything.
It's always something. Alright. I still have no idea why I started doing this stupid thing. Now, let's do this. No, yeah, that's gonna happen. Then, yeah, that's a bit too. That doesn't look too bad now. So if I get the player, nearly. Well, it's kind of right. Yeah, that's good enough. I would say it's fine. The way to fix that actually would be doing this.
So, do you think it would be better if now I do them like bigger than 64 or something?
Yeah. So effectively the door needs to be 48 high usually.
Okay. Because now, like, sort of, the door is bigger than the windows and stuff.
Yeah, I know. So it'll just be resizing, but this should be fine. I'm trying. Where's it gone? Right. I don't need walls. I want buildings. Let's make barn. I'm just gonna update. Let's try that. Okay. That's good enough for now. I need to remove most of the black out. Well, the black outline's too thick now because I've resized it, but it should be fine. But yeah, but it's good. It's good. We can use that. Right. Okay. I was working on something, wasn't I? Yes, I was. So so location X plus 30. No, it's basically just needs to be half, which is yeah. So basically, what we need to do is this. Well, not exactly that. That probably. So it's 16 and then 45. So 16 and then 45. And that should be the collision point center that we want. Hopefully. I'm hoping. Yeah, that's better. That's good. Yes. Next thing. In our portal, on our main, not the cell map, this one, our portal. Oh, maybe not. No, that's why. Okay, so our building. Where is it? Yeah, press E. Okay, so our collision's slightly off, which is fine. So, from the, yeah, so it's below, okay, I need to remember that. Yeah, so that needs to be plus 32. That needs to be 60, 96. So yes, this needs to actually be 128, and this needs to be 64. In fact, it should be a lot more than 64, but for now we'll just go with it. We'll see how that works. Right, cool. So yeah, the collision was slightly off when we do this kind of stuff. So yeah, I mean, yeah, it's fine. So you want to place the player in this block here. Yeah, not too bad. Okay. It should technically work there, but it won't. So it should work out of here, but it's not. In fact, so it won't work up here. It should clip there. Yeah. Okay. So we need to make it slightly more out because the player's gonna be walking here, right? This is like as close as we want the collision to be up to. When you get to here, we're gonna be like, right, you can't actually go anymore, any further to, because it's going to be collision with the cell door. Yeah, so there's also, I want to change this building. I'm going to make it slightly different, but whatever. Yeah, okay. So it needs to be more than 128, so it needs to be 5.2. I think. No. Let me think. 40. Oh, yeah, that could work. Actually, no, it's 34, isn't it? No, it is 44. Right, that's with 16 on top of it. So you got a 16 pixel gap. Okay, not bad. Okay, neat. Right, so one last thing is portal from. I'm going to move this down to 5. And that should be better. Wow. Okay, well, yeah, okay, fine. It's a bit... That's because... Oh, why would that be? Just trying to think. Where's the portals for the map? Let's fix that. Technically this is it. So we got map set, that's fine. Actually would like... Actually, where is that? Actually, what is all this? What the hell is that? Anyway, that was weird. So if I go 5, it should put me straight in the middle of the thing. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, right, it takes you out way too far, I think.
I just realized Dragon has 17 million views on YouTube.
Yeah.
Wow. Damn, son.
Yeah. Right, let's get all those bits. Let's go. You have them, yeah. Oh, we need to do the numbers for how many you have. We can do that soon. Okay, cool. Well, we actually just need to generate that. That shouldn't be too difficult.
Nom nom nom.
Perfect. Alright. Cool. Good. I'm happy with that. Yeah, we haven't done the actual thing for the building, the, what's it called, the transition. So... Also, that's way too high. Yeah, that's way too high. How would I want to do this? Let's say... Let's check their collision. So if it's facing south, is that right? Yeah. Is that right? Hopefully.
What icons and stuff like that do you need? Like, and how big should they be?
What? Sorry. What file type did you say?
Like icons, like for the inventory and stuff like that.
Oh, the items. Those would be basically 64 by 64.
As well, okay.
But you don't want to have the item fit the whole 64.
Okay.
Right, is this better?
What type of items would you want?
Let's have a look. Yes, actually, I've got a good idea. I was wondering if... let me just find them on stream quickly. Assets, type stuff, right. Yeah, because these aren't technically pixel graphics. Right, so... let me quickly zip this up. Name is robot parts. Okay. Right, let me quickly upload these. Let's see. Right. Good. And I need to download. There we go. Right. Right, let me get you a link. Now we're on robot. Has that gone in? Oh, I hope so. Right, try this link. I'm going to put it in TeamSpeak chat. So yeah, use that link and then just try and redo some of that stuff basically, because it's not there's not pixel graphics. But yeah, that would be cool. And then we can start getting stuff like that in. Right, what else do we need? Okay.
I'm embarrassed. I just downloaded that thinking, ooh, I can perhaps do that.
Brilliant. Right, what do I need to do? Okay, let's go to the feedback form quickly. And let's see if there's anything that we've done that was actually listed. And then see if there's any stuff that that we still haven't done yet and we could do. Like analytics or something like that. General system, yeah. Design combat system based, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, point view issue. That might be. There we go. Right. Currently assigned to me, so we've got analytics. That's fine. Right click control we don't have. That's fine. Load gauge save game. Could do. That's interesting. Introduce audio loading using .gss. Wait, don't we already do that? Let me check. I'm pretty sure we already did that. Where's audio? Yeah, we already did that. Right, well that's one to tick off. That's good. Resolved. There we go, right, that's cool, and that should up the changelog. Yeah, 5 issues completed. Nice. Okay, we're on 23% so far of what we currently have planned, but yeah. Different chunk tiles from one next to another one is saying, yeah, we could do that. This is going to be a bit tricky. But yeah. Well, Martin, that link. Martin, can you stop advertising streams in the chat, please?
Wait, what?
Yeah, please stop advertising streams.
It wasn't me, my cat did it.
Wow. What do I even open? What is this, Java 2D?
I don't know if character rotation was a feature on there, but that seems to be working great.
Character rotations? Oh, right, kind of, yeah.
Rotation, I guess.
Yeah. I could work on doing the graphic maybe in the system. Let's report that issue actually. Let's do this. Let's do it. Right, programming, game mechanics, I suppose. Yeah, right. Feature, high. No, don't do that. Target version pre-alpha 1 assigned to me. Character design. Gee, that's not right. Customization with the English spelling. Good. Well, there we go. Description. Yeah, you know what? Just do the American spelling because yeah, whatever. Okay, right. So add character customization. Then we also need to add clothing, and equipment. That was issue 50. Brilliant. Okay, so that'll be added to my view. That's cool. Right. Yeah, let's work on seeing if we could do some interesting developments with stuff. Okay, so we currently, if we go to adventure and in the game, and on maps, we need to technically make these more. Yeah, so currently we don't technically use test 1 for some strange reason, so let's get rid of that. Now test 2 is basically a wild chunk. So I just thought of saying this could be very buggy if we try and change this. The thing is, I don't do wild chunks just yet. Or do I?
I have made another building, but it's not as pixely as the barn one because this one is 128 instead of 64 pixels.
Oh, what? The one I've done?
No, like I done another building,
Oh, right, I see.
but it's not as pixelated as the barn because
It doesn't have to. Yeah, it just has to look. Well, I say pixelated, but like it can be a high quality pixel art. Basically, it can still be detailed.
no, I mean like it's not really detailed that much, but you know, like each pixel size is not as big as the other one of the barn.
Yeah. Okay.
I have a question.
What is your question?
When are we going to be able to get a built version of the game?
When Alpha 1 is ready.
When will Alpha 1 be ready?
When it's ready.
Soon, TM.
Soon, TM. When it's ready. What else? Valve time. You know, that kind of stuff.
Wait, we're using Valve Time? No.
Hello, Creep. Nice to see you again. Right, okay.
Hello.
Ah, you're back. Hello. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Let's. I could do. Could do equipment. Maybe equipment.
Okay, I'm making the cheese group the default group.
Okay. Right. Yeah, I want to be able to equip stuff, so let's do that. I really would like to clean up the player stuff there. That's what annoys me the most. It's all the player, like the mess in the player file. But I just kind of don't want to do it on stream because I have literally no idea what I'm going to be doing with it. It's going to be a massive change, so we won't do that. We could add some more crafting stuff. In fact, let's see what we're going to see other games. You should be able to find them on the Reddit. Somewhere. You're going to have to go deep, but you might be able to find them somewhere. I beat fruit to I win. Okay. Let me think. Yeah, okay. Let's try let's try some. We can either do customization or we can do. I know what we're gonna do. Right. Where's that stuff gone? I literally just had it. Literally here. Right. Let's edit some stuff together. Adventure, game, show that. Right, let's add some items then. So, let's edit this together. Okay, so this is currently the official one we have. In fact, we don't have the box. I haven't tested the box yet. the metal box. So we could do that. In fact, we will do that. Let's have a go.
Yeah, let's take a look.
Okay, so to do that, I need to go out of here, out of there. Don't care about that at the moment. Don't care about that. Hello Trinoir, how are you doing? Nice to see you.
Have you tried running it with the robot bits data yet? Does it load all?
That's what I'm gonna try. That's yeah.
A couple of quirks in my .items file. I'd forgotten to define purple and yellow, so there was a crafting recipe to make them, but I hadn't actually defined them as items.
Oh, okay, fine.
So if you download Casbash, that's got like a set of sample files with it, and I've corrected those so that they work a bit better. But you'll get it anyway. It's like it's copy and paste twice to make the other two carpet colours.
Sure. Do you have the new carpet? Oh, you got carpet, which is a tile, so I can remove that. That's fine. Unless we have it as you can place it down and customize your thing.
Yeah,
possibly.
Carpet, you know, if we ever bother with carpet, for me, I just thought it'd be cute as an experiment because it's like a colour combination. Yeah, we could have carpet as a you know, a useless item that just sits immediately above the floor but below you.
Yeah. I love your comment at the end. That's all, folks. Brilliant. Okay, so let's have a look. So metal plate is, yeah, that's the most recent one. I think scrap metal, like a couple of scrap metal, should be able to make a metal plate, maybe.
Yeah, I put in the recipe so that if you give your character, say, 90 scrap metal, he'll be able to build his way through the tech tree and do most things.
Well,
so
okay.
all the things I've done, everything can be built out of scrap metal. So as long as you've got plenty of scrap metal, you can make every component you want.
Right, okay.
It's probably not the final idea, but I thought I'm not going to give myself these items. Right, everything can have a universal currency.
Yeah. Okay, so we got right, metal box is mine, so that's fine. So it's from here. I can add. Yeah, I can add. Okay, let's add a comment. So this is Dave's stuff to test. All right. So we've got wire. Okay. I need the assets as well, which is here. Cool. Oh, assets, Dave stuff. Wow, cool. Let's try something weird, possibly. So we go back to game projects and go back to here. If we go back into game, Showtime items, and just paste Dave stuff into it and get rid of the assets here. Try that.
If you paste in my .craft stuff, I wouldn't bother pasting in the purple and yellow unless you're going to define them in your items.
Oh, sure. Okay. Yeah. It's got that assets transceiver. Nearly through this. Yeah. Okay. Yes. There. And then assets, go with this one, like that. Right, okay, cool, perfect. Right. Can you possibly mod my bot? Sure. There you go. Okay, so right, hopefully that loads everything. It'll tell us if not, so that's cool. I'll hold off, which is this? This is the developer one, so let's leave that. So yeah, let's hold off doing anything just there. Let's see if we can add the items first. That'll be the first way, the first thing to try. Alright, let's have a look. Now, where's my... Oh, okay, no, I didn't like it. Fine. Right. And there's a reason for that, and I found it. So, yeah. I didn't think of that through. Okay. Let's Oh, crap. to reevaluate that one.
What's up?
Yeah, I kind of did the link to it completely wrong. I wasn't really thinking. Let's do mods for now. Yeah, okay. Perfect. Well, not yet. Right, let's go back up to where we were, which is here. So we need to, we need to just go assets slash was it mods? Yeah, mods slash data stuff. Cool. There we go. Is that it? No, not yet. I've got loads to go. There. Okay, cool. Right, now can we try and load it in? Image loaded. Right, loads all of them in, which is cool. Right. Perfect, right, so that's in, that's good.
I need to find what item ID scrap metal is and somehow place tons of that around.
Yeah, right, so
just grab any old bits, I suppose.
let's see apparently that's the thing we need to do.
This will also be a good test of the .craft system because some of the recipes I've put in there have got more than 4 ingredients, so we'll have to see what happens.
Yeah. Phoenix is going to crash it, but we'll see. Let's see about that.
Yeah, handgun has got 5 ingredients.
Okay.
So does arm. But you could just snip off one of the ingredients from the file and that fix it.
Yeah, okay, right, let's go to craft now then, and see what we need to do there. Like that. Right, and now let's open up other stuff. Did I?
Yeah, all the others are 4 max, but those 2 are 5 each.
No. Game, Showtime, items, there we go.
I'll join back in a second. I'm installing some plugins.
Hi, I'm back. Sorry, my connection
That's fine.
disconnected.
Yeah. It's no problem. Right.
Like, do I have to tell somebody else next time to put me here again, or can I just press on it and I enter?
I'm gonna work on something, but at the moment I just need to drag you in. But yeah.
Oh, okay.
Usually I can just see when people connect, and you just have to say in chat you want to join, and it'll just come in.
Okay.
Well, I have no idea what happened there. Somehow just pasted Ultra-Red into this thing. Right, okay.
Welcome to Game Studio
Oh,
Live.
take out the yellow and purple carpet as well.
Yeah. Don't worry. Dimply Andreas, thank you very much for the channel. Welcome to the studio. Thank you very much for helping us grow. I hope you're having a good day today and enjoying the stream. Thank you for being here. Welcome to the studio. You're now officially a member. Okay, so which is the one that's going to really break everything? So which is the one Dave's going to break? Alright.
Handgun and arm. Both arm and handgun have got 5 ingredients each. So just grab one of them and pull one out of each.
Handgun, you could create a gun part and then put that instead of, you know, part of the things.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of the ingredients are kind of filler anyway. They're like metal plate, metal rod, metal this. So it's like all of the metal crap can all be consolidated into just bits of metal.
Yeah. Okay, so we got metal pipe.
Just pull out a random, like, you know.
Let's get rid of... Wait, what's the difference to a metal pipe and a rod?
Not bugger all, really. One's hollow and one isn't. So
okay.
The low value stuff are pipes, rods, and plates. So rip out any of those.
Okay, let's get rid of the rod then, for now. I think. Actually, no, it makes... Let's get rid of the pipe. You can technically pretend to make the plate out of the thing, barrel out of 2 plates.
Yeah, I mean, it's all temp anyway. I mean, I'm going to flatten the 3 shapes into just pieces of metal.
Jesus, 3 parts for a robot arm. Okay, yeah, is there an electronic circuit?
The closest I've included is transistor or transceiver. They are kind of electrical.
Yeah, because I was thinking having a couple of wires plus a transistor or a couple of transistors makes like maybe a circuit or a motherboard or something similar to that. Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah,